driving, so kind of squeeze yourself.
Okay, on your get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow.
Welcome to our Wizarding Academy. Want to join our magical world?
Are you kidding? Yes! Can I get a tour?
Of course, you can take our magical trip there. Or if you oversleep, just steal a flying car. But watch out for the highly aggressive trees.
Good to know. So what subjects do you have to take? Like normal math?
Oh no, spells and charms. But seriously, watch out in that one. Last week a kid sneezed and he just melted.
Potions? Wait, what? Potions and charms is way better. Last Tuesday we brewed a secret potion to turn a professor into a bullfrog. That sounds terrifying. So what fun things do you do around here?
We have wizard chess. It's exactly like regular chess, but with 100% more screaming and flying debris.
Relax, nobody got crushed today. We also have Quidditch in the Triwizard Cup. That's cool. I'm sold.
Just watch out for one thing. The owls will download on you. And trust me, it's not a software update.
Gross. How do I apply? You don't apply. You have to be chosen. Concentrate this chair and we'll see if the ancient magic of the wizarding world accepts you.
Now we wait for the phone to ring.
We would like a judge as a volunteer to start our presentation.